Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday. It's December 16th. We got a couple items here on the economic calendar. We'll start off with the manufacturing in the New York region, which the index is Empire State Index. And previous report back in November was 2.9. Anything above zero is considered expansion. So again, we're kind of barely above it. But again, we're at least in expansion territory. It did improve a little bit to 3.5 in December. And then we also got the market PMI items here. We got the manufacturing for market for the month of December. So previous reporting that came out was at 52.6 and it has slight drop to 52.5. However, on the services industry, it went from 51.6 in November to 52.2. So manufacturing had a slight dip, but services had a slight improvement here. And last but not least, we got home builders index for the month of December. So in November, it was at 71 and increased to 76. So home builders have a little bit more confidence in where things are moving, and that's a good sign because that means they will most likely build more homes here. The items that we're actually looking for are entry-level homes, so that hopefully we'll see more of those in the near future that are a little bit more congruent to those who are first-time home buyers. Let's jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are up this morning, and it's taking its cue from the optimism on the trade deal that was announced on Friday. So it's kind of kicking in a little bit again further today, and as a result, it's kind of putting weighing pressure on the on the bond market here. So bond market is currently down about 23 basis points. It kind of rebounded back on Friday, as we saw here after Thursday. So bonds did pretty well. However, on today, it's money's coming out of the bond market and going into the stock market. So Dow's up over 150 so far this morning. We even started off about 6 basis points or so lower. Now we're down to about 23 basis points, which will translate to worse pricing than what we saw on Friday here. Treasuries are also rebounding. It's up some points up to 1.88 now on U.S. Treasuries. And so again, mortgage rates are slightly up today as a result. If you guys are looking to buy a refinance and are located in California, please reach out. Love to talk to you guys, see how we can help you guys out with your financial planning in terms of home buying or refinance. We can do both, and the company I work with currently is Pinnacle Home Loans. You can either direct message me or email me are the two best forms of communication. If you want to get the quickest response, email would be the quickest response. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.